Hi everyone, how you all going today? Just out and about and I came across this huge as watercress patch. Check that out. I'm going to pick up some bags of watercress. Had a bit of rain last night so the water's a bit brown. It's not dirty, but check all that watercress out. Heaps in here. Hopefully my iPhone 4S picks up good quality, but the yummy as watercress. Going to be a boil up for tea tonight. Well, today is boil up day. We're going to put our meat on, get the meat going. I've got some pork bones. And also from Pack and Spin pork chops, $7 a kilo. And you always got to add salt. For our boil up tonight, we're going to be having sweet corn, which is probably the last sweet corn for summer. And we're going to add kumara or sweet potato. We add one of those. Also bought some carrots. I've got some pumpkin in the garden, but it's not quite ready for to eat yet, so to give it an orange colouring we'll put some carrots in there, and also one of my kamakamo out of my garden. I picked this yesterday, and kamakamo is also a nice summer kai, and it's also nice to have in a boil up this time of year. Smells nice. Look at that. Look at that hinu or fat. Oh, can't see now. This time all I'm doing is just grabbing little bunches of these are the fresh chips that I picked. I'm just sort of trying to wash each little bunch because there's a few little, it's not as clean as I would like it to be, but because normally I wash it in the river. Like I pick a bunch and then I give it a good rinse before I stick it in the bag, but these ones here I just picked and stuck into the and I put them straight into the bag. So as you can see, I've got a little bit to go through. So we've got a good clean, just like any other kai you make up or food you make. Prep. But it's worth it in the end, that's for sure. Right, I'll just clean the rest of the watercress up and we'll get back to you guys soon. Right, so there's all our watercress. I've finally cleaned it all. So I put it all into the sink here. I might give it a couple more washes or just rinse it. Go like that to the watercress. And I'll pull the plug. I'll probably do that 2 or 3 times. So that's quite a bit. But as I said, that will boil down to not much at all. So I'll leave it in there for a little bit. And we'll just put on all our vegetables that I've cut and washed up. We'll also just leave that in there. I think we've got about 10 or so minutes before our meat's soft enough to put our vegetables on top of the meat. There we go. Ooh, watercress in first. People still ask me, why don't I put doughboys in here? I don't really eat doughboys. I like them, but somebody else made them, I'll have them in there. Put our vegetables on top. And I love kummekummer in the boiler. White pumpkin too, but maybe the next one my pumpkins will be ready. So a bit of salt. There we go. Right, I'm just going to have a bit of a check, see how it's going. It sounds good. It's starting to smell good now. Right, I think I now add the corn on top of there. Who else likes eating sweet corn in their boiler? You guys in the comments below to see if you guys like eating sweet corn. I've only had it once, which was last summer. As winter time, when we get corn around here, it's more of a summer kai. But I actually, that would be one of my best boil-ups I've ever had. Was the one I had with sweet corn in it. So there you go. Right, to me that smells cooked. And it looks cooked. If it smells cooked, it looks cooked, then it is cooked. So I'm going to turn the element off. And they're going to call out, tea's ready. Kai's ready, boy. Hey, boy. Want some kai, boy? Hey, hungry boy. Oh. Someone with a new YouTube channel doesn't like being on camera.
Eat this first. Get that fat out.
Yeah, the fat, I'll have that. I mean, I'll give it to the dog. Don't give it to you now, I'll give it to you later. Yeah, put it back in there for the dog. Oof, oof, oof. Lucky you didn't hear that, did you? So I'll grab some watercress, as you would. I'll grab a camel out. Gotta have one of those sweet corn. I'll get a carrot out. That's what you want. So there's our tasty boil-up. Watercress, some pork, kummel's there, the sweet corn, some more kummel over there. Some nice healthy pork fat, which I'll leave for the dog. That is tender as. Making you guys hungry. That's nice. It's sweet. See, bit of healthy fat on there. Lucky it's all the fat's been boiled away. Look at that. It's a big mouthful there, isn't it? Right, this is our second day boil-up. Just reheating from last night. Had to boil up 2 more pork chops as we almost ran out of pork. So I can get 3 days out of this. Beautiful. So we're going to hoe into that right now. Check out our fat. That is a lot of fat. And I'm probably just going to have like a little bit of it. Actually, no, I'm going to put a little bit back. That's what I mean. And some watercress. It is so much sweeter the second day. My first plate of boil up. Hopefully it'll be my only plate tonight, but who knows. I'll try and make it one plate, but it might be 1.5 or 2. A second boil up. Oh, okay. Okay, bye. Today is day 3 of our boil up. It's going to be the last day. Family have had enough, but I can still eat another plateful of watercress boil up. Day 3. Have you guys had enough boil up?
Yeah.
What? What about day 4? It's tomorrow. Oh, look at these guys. What sort of mouldy are they? Can't have boil up 4 days in a row. You fellas gotta harden up, pal. So I think that this is going to be the end of my boil up video. So I'll leave it there on day 3. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video from the past 3 days. I know I'm relaxing with you guys hungry. The others will be going, what the hell?